Now, some might think that that was unsanitary and uncleanly, but I did research in my head, and technically this water, this might be some of the purest water on earth, because, and also nutrient dense water as well, because you have the rocks inside that's purifying the water, as well as plants as well. And both of those elements are nutrients to the water. So compare that to like tap water or the conventional tap within your house that's riddled with heavy metals and chemicals. So definitely my hair is gonna receive nourishment from this water compared to tap. And also there's fishes in the water as well, also bringing nutrients to this water. So in the end, my hair will be thanking me, and I will be thanking the water. I did research in my head, and this water is memory. The earth, there's more water on earth than land. Our body is more water than body. If I put this on my hair, on my locks, on my dreadlocks, then this water's gonna give me superpowers. This water's gonna give me superpowers, taken within the power within this water. I don't know how old this water is, but it's most likely definitely hundreds of years old. And it's kind of like similar to connecting with a being. You know what I mean? The same way how we could connect with beings, we could connect with water as well. Water is also living. Water also holds memory, and definitely you want to connect with water like this, because water like this is pure compared to water that's being pumped out. This water is so pure. It's not in a machine going through stress, because like the molecular level, the molecular state that this water's in is so pure compared to being pumped through drains. Water through drains could poison you. Water through drains could poison you no matter what type of water it is. Water shouldn't really be going through drains. You want your water pure and happy, just like us. You know what I mean? You want to drink something that's stressed and manipulated and stuff like that. So yeah, also I feel wonderful, and my locks feel wonderful. And the water feels wonderful, and I feel wonderful. I'm gonna show you an ancient Qigong exercise that I do every single day. It's gonna really get all your chi flowing, get all your blood flowing. It's gonna really like just stretch you out and have you right for the day. Like, it's gonna make you feel so good. And this technique I do every single day. So I want everybody watching to follow along and do what I do and add this to your daily lifestyle and see what it does for you. All right, scared. All right, get ready. Just gonna twist back and forth. and twist all the way. Okay? Really extending your arms. And it's just so much going on to your body. All right, you got chi flowing within your hips, within your abdomen, within your arms, your shoulders, elbows. Like your whole body could feel it. I'm telling you, like you gotta add this to your daily routine. See, that's gonna get you right. I'm telling you. Honestly, like, I don't even go to the gym. Like, all my exercises I do outside. I feel like the gym, the types of like workouts at the gym is more for like bodybuilding and stuff. You feel me? It's not like, I guess like natural human, to me it's not like a natural human way of training. Like, cause it's like in the real world we don't need to like repetitively lift stuff up. You know what I mean? I'd rather get my strength from just naturally doing something. You feel me? Like naturally picking stuff up, naturally picking and climbing. That's where I get my strength from. Like I climb things, I push things, and also most of all I carry my own weight. You know what I mean? Like I don't like weights and stuff, and you know what I mean, traditional like gym equipment. I don't use those things because I rather just carry my own weight. You know what I mean? Like doing like handstands, push up. I mean, I'm not saying you gotta do it too, but this is just personally me. Like this is how I get my exercise from outside. I use all I can. I use trees to my advantage. You know what I mean? I use trees, I climb trees, stuff like that. See how far back I could go. Was that far? I'll show you how far back I can really go. It's hard to balance on a bunch of rocks. Exercise I saw on IG. if I did it right, but that was intense. If you never did that before, holy crap. That was serious. Hold on. Let me try one more. I don't know if I did that right though. Push up. Come on. You definitely want to do that. Wow. It's gonna really get you right. Oh my goodness. It felt great. Even though there's a little bit of struggle for me, but it felt great. I just want to say the best things in life are truly free. That might sound cliche, but it's like, it's true though. Like, it costs nothing to go outside. It costs nothing to go in nature and experience what truly life is, because it's like everything that you gotta pay for brings suffering, brings misery, brings anger. Stuff that you gotta pay for. But it be the things that you don't gotta pay for that brings you everything. You can't put a price on nature. It's impossible, because nature is everywhere and nature is everything. That's why they can never put a price on this. They could put a price on the Matrix though. You know what I mean? They could put a price on going to the carnival. But you can't put a price on this. Once you really know what nature is, once you really know who she is, why she's here, what she does, then you have your own world. See, this right here, this is my world. You know what I mean? This is my world. I mean, all them buildings, all them cars, all them homes, they could have that. We don't need that. We got food everywhere. We got life everywhere. We got air. We got real air, fresh air. We got water. We got animals. We got sound, natural sounds. Where can you experience that anywhere else? Over here is so clear. It's just so much. Like, when you out here, your body is charging, not only on the outside, but on the inside as well. We're literally being healed out here. This is natural healing that no medical practitioner can do, like nature. This is as true as you could get in this matrix. This is as true as you could get. Peace and much love to everybody, and much gratitude to everybody. If you made it to the end, as well as did the exercises as well. You know, a lot of people think that they need to fly away to go on vacation, but I'm gonna just break it down to you. This is vacation right here. This is all you need. This and this above. That's all you need. You really don't need to fly away to somewhere tropical or exotic looking, because this is exotic right here. Like, this is all you need. I promise. It's gonna feel like you on vacation. It's gonna feel like you're in paradise when you come out here. I'm telling you. If you feel like you just need to just get out, come here. That's it. And you will be provided for. You will be healed. You will be happy because look at the color of everything around me, right? You see how everything is bright green? If you notice, the same color, that green, is the same color as the energy emitting through your heart, which is your second brain, green. So when you out here, you really connected and in tune. Your heart, which is the second brain, is really in tune with your whole surroundings. And it's like you're just instantly connected on just a spiritual level. So automatically you're going to be charged and you're going to feel so blissful. Just seeing this, all of this green, all of this life, that's the same color as your heart energy disc. Everything is aligned. There's no mistakes. There's no mistakes within the world. Peace and love. Continue to shine and bloom wherever you are planted, okay? You could be planted anywhere, but it's up to you to bloom. Bloom no matter where you at. No matter where you at, no matter where you stand. Bloom. Rise. Peace and love. Enjoy your life.